friends. Hope all of you are doing fine, you're safe. And during this point of time, we need to be working on developing our immunity. So, welcome to Grandma's recipe, so the Grandma's risotto, to understand what were those ingredients which are ancient wisdom, that is our grandmoms and our great grandmoms were using it on a regular basis to keep themselves away from being affected by any type of viruses and bacteria and diseases. In fact, it helped them in a number of ways which enhance their life, the quality of life. So why not take some tips from them, pick up those wisdom and create something now. So today I'm going to talk about how we can enhance our immunity by using the ingredients which are very, very scientifically proven in today's world to have been able to help people enhance their immunity. Fighting diseases, if it's an external effect, it is only helping you symptomatically. If it is through your immunity that your body fights against the virus, you are definitely going to be healthier, happier and safer. So today we move ahead to understanding what are the things we need to be having to create this particular salad cum pickle, which can be preserved for some time. 15 to 20 days is something which you can preserve this and use it regularly when you're having your lunch, your dinner. So what are the ingredients? The ingredients, as you can see here, are the turmeric, which has been finely chopped, ginger, lemon, and of course there's one full lemon which I'll be using later, and there are peppercorns. So all these things I'm going to be using to create this pickle, which will help you enhance your immunity. So what am I going to do first is take a jar. I'm going to chop all of these ingredients really small as I'd shown it. These are all small, and I have used 1 portion of ginger. For every 1 portion of ginger, freshly chopped ginger, I'm using around 10 portions of turmeric root, and half the quantity of lemon pieces, a teaspoon of peppercorns, full peppercorns, and 1 full lemon. So now I'm going to add on all these ingredients into this glass jar. You need to have a glass jar to create this pickle cum salad. You can use it any way you feel. I'm going to add all of this into this glass bottle, and then as you can see, I've added everything into this glass jar. This could suffice for a family of 4 for a week. This is the peppercorn. I'm adding all of these inside this. As you can see, there is peppercorn, there's ginger pieces, there are lemon pieces, and of course a major quantity of turmeric. To this I'm going to add 3 heaped teaspoons of salt. You can use your Himalayan salt if you've got, or you can use any salt, the Tata salt or any salt. 3 heaped teaspoons. And now I'm going to close this and shake it really well so that the salt is able to be integrated into all these ingredients. Now is the time. I take the knife and I'm going to cut the lemon to half, and the juice of both these pieces of lime is going to be added into this jar. Of course, you can also put a piece of cinnamon stick into this, but I prefer it without that. Now you squeeze the juice, the fresh juice, into this. So 1 full lime juice to be integrated into this. And you will notice that after maybe 2 or 3 days, you'll notice that this particular jar, this mixture starts having some liquid in it. Now don't throw that liquid away. You can add that in your curry, or you can add them in your dals. You can add them when you're making your parathas, the theplas, anything you're doing. Just add that because it's got a lot of healing properties. Okay, now talking about these ingredients. Ginger helps fight cold. Turmeric helps, it's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and also helps the digestion of food, whatever we eat, the nutrients in the right way. The peppercorns, these helps fight cold, sinuses, and also helps digest the curcumin in the turmeric. And finally, lemon juice, storehouse of vitamin C, so it's going to help you fight any type of a cough, cold or infection. Now, this particular jar is more like you got your whole pharmacy to fight cold, to fight any sort of an infection. And how much to have? Every person, when you're having your lunch, your dinner, all you need to take is half a teaspoon. Please do not have more. Half a teaspoon, perfect. You should have at least 1 or 2 peppercorns, 2 to 3 pieces of turmeric, 1 or 2 pieces of ginger, a piece of lime. That's it. Have it and enjoy this. Staying safe is of utmost importance. Prevention is better than cure. So it's no point looking for remedies outside when you can look into your kitchen and try to figure out what did our ancestors do to fight all these type of issues which we are facing right now. They had different names, but of course they definitely had their own challenges and they could handle it. So why not we? So I hope all of you are going to enjoy. This is your bottle from the kitchen pharmacy, grandma's recipe. Try it and do let me know how you like it. And it tastes yummy. Even children can have it. Of course in a lesser quantity. Do not have water after you have had this. Of course after lunch, but it's only after 30 minutes that we can have water. So you can have this. And warm water, very important. With warm water, freshly ground pepper, very, very important. So whenever you're having water along with your lunch, your dinner, after half an hour, please drink warm water with freshly ground pepper. So enjoy your day, stay healthy, become fearless with a fear. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and namaste.